Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account. First thing first, get logged into your YouTube account. Select your initial on your top right and go for YouTube Studio. Once you land onto your YouTube Studio, you will see a page like this. In here, select settings from your left hand side and select channel. Now under basic info, you can edit your information. Under advanced settings, you can edit whatever you would like, but select feature eligibility. You will see three things. One is standard feature, intermediate features, and advanced feature. Now as you can see, these are already enabled. So if you expand it, as you can see, the requirements is already fulfilled in my case. And if you would like to verify your YouTube, you're gonna have to be eligible and fulfill the requirements for advanced features. So let's see what this feature includes. First is appealing content ID claims, external links, and video description, which you have to insert while you upload a video. And likewise, all these stuff that you should give to YouTube in order to be eligible for this. And once you are eligible, you have to do these things. And likewise, this is how you get verified. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.